Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are opening my Jane's Agenda monthly subscription box. So this is the second sub box I've gotten. The unboxing from last month is on the channel and quite popular. So that was the October box. This is November. I think so. Yeah, that was October. This is November. So I had gotten the big size subscription last month, which I didn't actually mean to do. I meant to get the classic size. So this one is the classic size. It is the deluxe box, which is the expensive box. And, you know, the premise here is let's try it out for the rest of this year and see how much I like it or don't like it, and is it worth the cost, which is $70-ish or so. So yeah, so black box and tissue paper, which I did already rip because I was looking for receipts, of which there were none, and whoa. Okay. Look at that. That in itself is stunning. That red is crazy. That's really cool. All right, so this is what tells you is in the box. So this is the November box. It's called Hot How. I never know how to pronounce that. So there's this tour card. There's other stuff. All right, I'm not going to read the stuff. I want to look at it, and then we'll see how much stuff I get completely wrong, and we'll look at the card again. Okay. Oh, we got a pen. You know, maybe we should just get rid of this box. It seems kind of silly, although it may prevent me from dropping things on the floor. Yeah, because there's like glare. All right. Going to, what is that? Something, all right, there's something weird on the bottom. Okay, make sure we got it all. We got it all. Okay. Tissue paper. Box over here as we knock other things down. Awesome. Okay. So we've got little cards. And we've got page flags, important urgent page flags, and they're that crazy red. That is like seriously pigmented. I love this. Okay, so we've got page flags, and then we've got these little cards. Worry is a misuse of your imagination. I like that. And hot. Looks like hot. I don't know. Fashionable and high class. Okay, well that red definitely says that. Okay, so we've got another one of these things, which I adore because I love bookmarks. And I don't necessarily know. That's right, this is the one where I have to tear the packaging off, right? Yeah, it will stick up. Okay, so we've got this bookmark, so look how cool that looks. I like that a lot. That's neat. So it's like vellum inside, you know, plastic, and it's not... Like, I have stencils that are flimsier than this. That will do a good job. Okay, now, what do we got here? Oh my god, those flowers. Okay, this is a good box, guys. This is a good box. Okay, so, are you cover or divider? I'm not sure. I really don't know. I'm guessing cover. Yeah, because this one is backwards. So this would be the cover for the month. So, she's a wild one stomping on eggshells. Everyone else tiptoed around. Caitlin Foster. I don't know who that is, but that's cool. And now we've got this fake magazine cover. November 2022. Jane'sAgenda.com. Issue 27. Number 1 negative self-talk. Bad vibes don't go with my outfit. Badass woman. Confidence without ego. 5 things to give up. Oh, okay. 5 things to give up on. Number 1, negative self-talk. I have another pen you can borrow and other things planner women say. There's something special about a woman who dominates in a man's world. It takes a certain grace, strength, intelligence, fearlessness, and the nerve to never take no for an answer. That's Rihanna. Romanticize your life, and suddenly the dreams started chasing me. And don't be a lady, be a legend. So that's really cool. So I don't know how these boxes work. Like, I think after some amount of time, like once they've all gone out, if there are any extras, I think they go on the website. I'm not sure. I don't know if there are extras. I don't know if you can like buy the box after the fact. Like, I don't really know how that works. I should probably send an email and ask, since I keep making videos about this stuff. So I will do that. I don't know when I'll get an answer, but I will do that. Okay, so these are like... just a subscription box special edition. So it doesn't really tell me what we're dealing with, but we've had these before. So you can put these under your cover, and they do fit. So there's this like abstract thing, And then I guess this would be the back. Oh, I see. Okay, so you can do the abstract thing, or you can do the flowers. And I gotta tell you, the flowers are just mind-blowing. Like, okay, they look cool through that, but look at them here. Like, my grandmother used to have flowers like these in the yard. I have no idea what they are, but I love them. So if you know what they are, please tell me, because I really like those. So yeah, so you would put it together like this. You'd have your flower on the front, you have your flower on the back, and your cover. So that's really cool. And now we've got, I'm guessing, dashboard. That looks awesome. What is that? Okay, so like this is part of a person on vellum. Okay. Very cool looking tiger. No, tigers have stripes. Leopard? Cheetah? I don't know. You guys know I'm bad with the animals. What is this? Okay, people sculptures. They're kind of creepy. But this is truly fantastic. I love this. That is awesome. That's really cool. Okay, so these are like divider dashboard things. You can put the person vellum over it. I don't know why you'd want to, but okay. So you could do that, or you could just use these. Here, look, people on top of people. That's just bizarre. And people on top of jungle cat. That's probably the best looking application for this vellum, is the cat. Okay. But I really like that one. That is awesome. Alright, and now we've got what appears to be more dashboards. Dividers. They're not dividers. There's no tabs on them for them to be dividers. So, okay, so this one's just lightning? I don't get it. Does the person go with the lightning? Maybe? I don't really like that. That side is blank, so I'm not sure what the deal is with that, and the sticker tells us nothing, so we'll wait till we get to the card. Okay, inserts. Order tracker. Order tracker! Oh my god. I need like 100 of these. What I need is to stop shopping, but then you guys would have nothing to look at. No, it's not true. You'd have planner spreads to look at, but so far, those videos don't do as well as these do. Okay. Order tracker. So that page, alright, so that's just packaging. I probably shouldn't have thrown that away, but these are definitely going in my planner, so it's okay. Alright, so we've got item, order number, /order number, store, date shipped, tracking number, and if it was delivered. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 sheets, 8 sides. They are all the same. That's awesome. And you can track 20 orders on each side. If you want to get really cheap about it, you can like draw a line and turn each box into like 2 boxes. But yeah, those are really cool. All right, I really like that. And we've got more inserts. Holiday shopping. Okay. All right, so that one is packaging. Okay, so store/website, deal, dates, and ordered/purchased. All right, so this is for holiday deals. So this would be good for like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, crazy sales right before Christmas, the crazy sales right after Christmas. So that's what that would be good for. So is this all the same? No. Okay, so you got 2 sides of holiday deals. And then we've got a gift list. And we've got 2 sides of that. And then we've got my wish list. And there's one of those, and there's 2 sides to that. So it's probably the same thing again, 20. So you could slice them in half with a line and turn it into 40. You'd need to add extra tick boxes. These are very cool. Very, very cool. Deal list is an awesome idea. They need to make more of these. Okay. Now what do we got? Ooh. figure out where it opens. There we go. Feels like vegan leather. Red zipper. It's clear. It's tissue paper. It does not smell funky. That's good. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, go back and look at the Erin Condren video and you'll totally get it. Jane's Agenda logo right here, and it's clear and red. That is awesome. Like, look, you can put all the little stuff in here. Not that, you know, you would want to put it in here because you want to put it in your planner, but you know what I mean. You can, like, fit all kinds of stuff in here. Cool. And there's one more thing. Look. It's like it doesn't stop. This is heavy. This is heavy. What is this? Some boxes, by the way, are like Christmas. Like, I love them. What the heck are you? More tissue paper. I like tissue paper. What is this? Jane'sAgenda.com. It's a squishy thing. Felt. Is this a mouse pad? This might be a mouse pad. All right, we need the card now. Unreleased red bottom mouse pad. Okay, I don't know what they mean about red bottom. It's just the stitching. Black vegan leather with red stitching. Unreleased red bottom. Red bottom must just be what it's called. Clear pen pouch, vegan leather accents, red zipper. Okay, holiday shopping inserts. The order tracker inserts. Okay, so the lightning strike is just black cardstock. It's a decorative dashboard. The Glasgow University Cloisters, which is that cool building I like, is also a decorative dashboard. Psyche revived by Cupid's Kiss, which would be the creepy statue people. Also decorative dashboard. It is a leopard. It is a decorative dashboard. And the vellum dashboard is an elegant one-line sketch for her. Reversible two-piece decorative dashboards. Red tulips. Tulips. Aha! They looked so waxy, though. And abstract painting would be that other side. Page finder with vellum with black ink. A 0.7mm black ink Uniball 207 Plus. Red page flags, urgent/important. Soft touch quote cards. Hot, whatever it is, definition quote, and this tour card. That's cool. We didn't check the pen, did we? I really like this. This is like totally, like, what does this have to do with planning? Don't get me wrong, I like it. But what does that have to do with planning? But I like it. I guess if you do digital planning, right, this would be awesome, but would you be buying paper if you do digital planning? Like, I don't do digital planning. There's been a large number of people advertising Notion this week. In fact, like in the last, 3 days. I don't want Notion. I don't want digital planning. Thanks, but no. Google Calendar is as far as I'm willing to go. That's so cool. Okay, so this was everything in the box. Let's just check out the pen for the sake of checking out the pen. It's a Uniball, or I think they rebranded to Uni or something. Got wax on it. So their pens are pretty good. So this is a 207 Plus. It does say Uniball, so I guess this is from prior to rebranding. It's a nice pen. It makes a weird noise when you write with it. Oh, it's coming from here. You guys hear the weird noise though, right? Like, it's just odd. So anyway, pen works. It's a nice pen. I've had much worse pens. Okay, so we've got mouse pad, pen, bookmark, page flags, little journal cards, and they are soft. I don't know what they do to the paper, but they kind of feel like suede, but it's paper. It's really weird, and I love it. Pouch, really cool card. I mean, yeah, okay, it tells you what's in here, but you can just like stick this in your planner cover and it'll look awesome. And we've got our holiday shopping inserts, the order tracker inserts, which, let's face it, are right. Those things are made for me. Decorative dashboard. This is awesome. I actually kind of like this guy too. I just really don't like those people. I don't like them. Not a fan. But I like him, and I like this. And the lightning's not bad too. And then the covers. So the way it works is there's a subscription where you can just do like covers. I don't know if it's just like this or if it's this and like a couple of those dashboards. I'm really not clear on how that works. And then there's the All right, if I remember correctly, it's just this, and then this stuff is like another subscription, and then the one I get is everything. Pretty sure that's how it works, but you can check out their website. I think we have a link in the description box. That'll get you, I think, a discount on an order, like your first order, but I'm assuming like everyone else, it won't work on a subscription box. I really hope I'm remembering right, and there is actually a link. Yeah, there's a link. There's a link. There's a link. So anyway, this is like totally awesome. Yeah, I mean, it's not the best sub box I've ever gotten, but it's really good. Like, it is really good, and it is definitely not stuff that I would think to buy or even look for myself, and then they just show up at my house, and it's like, oh, I love this, where's this been all these years? You know, so, and it's a good amount of stuff, too. Wish there were more of those order trackers, though. So yeah, so I just keep moving stuff around, so we're going to wrap this up now. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.